beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're most definitely welcome. And this is the look for return subscribers. Today we're going to be doing this feathered fan. You see, it's been in existence for like forever. It's so beautiful. You can use it as in your dress in Western style. You can use it as an alternative bouquet. You can use it however you please, even for your bridesmaids. Your bridesmaids can as well use them. You see that? Bridesmaids can use them as an alternative bouquet as well. And of course, most of us think it's just for traditional weddings, but we have seen that you can use it for a Western style kind of dressing. Your traditional weddings, it just gives you some flair, some style, and everything. Let's get straight into the tutorial and see how to do it. So first, I use this hand fan I have, like it's the pleated or pleatable hand fan, and I have my UHU glue, my scissors, and I have my fur. That's the fur you use for a dress, and then my glue gun and my barbecue sticks as well. So the barbecue sticks is just to help the fan to stay open because it's a pleatable fan. So first of all, I just cut off the sharp edge of the stick. All the ones I'm going to be using, I take out the sharp edges. And then using my glue gun, I just go there to apply some glue that will help the stick to stick to the fan. There you go. Oopsie, I placed the glue in the wrong direction anyway. I'm just going to uh, place it nicely. I'm just doing the same thing on the other part of the fan. I just want to do that on all the length of the fan. To the length of the diameter. That's a semicircle. So you see, after doing that, the fan now is open. It can stay open now. Now I'm going to go in with my UHU glue to place the fur. You could as well use your hot glue gun, your hot glue. Uh, so it's really easy. Basically, you just place the glue where you want to stick your fur. Please, if you're still watching and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing, liking my video, sharing, commenting, and hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. I have so many ideas to share with you all. So you see, it's so like immediately you put it, it just sticks. Can't come out anymore. You see that? Turn it to the other side and just repeat the process. So basically, you're just going to keep doing the same thing, just sticking and turning around and putting your glue and turning around. It's like that. You want to put the lines close to each other so that your fan is going to appear full. If you space them out a lot, you're going to have the spaces. So after I'm done sticking the yellow, I'm just going to cut off the end of the fur rope. I'm going to do it. That's the end, and I'll cut the beginning as well because I left it out. And then I'm going to cut my white fur and just continue the process. So basically, I used three of the fur ropes. I don't know, should I call it fur ropes? I used three of it, one yellow and two white. But if you want your uh your fan to be fuller, you should consider using 4 to 5 of it. I use just that one because I'm supposed to add green feathers. That's why. Okay, that's after adding the three. That's after putting the three ropes. One rope is like a meter long, so that's like 3 meters. If your fan is bigger too, you should know that you will need more fur. Now I just took my feathers there, and I'm still using my UHU glue. You could as well. You could still use the glue gun. The UHU glue is so strong, like you don't have to worry. Immediately you place it, it just sticks and it stays firm. See that? I love the green. Now I'm just going to go to the top and put in some green as well. I'm just process. And just like that, you have your beautiful fan. If you want to buy this, it's quite expensive. To do all of this, everything I bought cost me like less than 200 baht, which is like $8. So if you have to buy this, it's going to cost you more. So there you go. Thanks for coming, guys.